Greetings from the screen, everyone. I am Joveljean A. Cabungan, and this is my reflection video in Chapter 9, Climate Change. Studying Chapter 9 on climate change deepened my understanding that climate change is not merely a future threat, but a current global reality. Scientific observations over the past decades clearly show rising global temperatures and changing weather patterns that affect ecosystems worldwide. These changes demonstrate that climate change is already influencing the environment and human life, making it an urgent issue that requires attention. One important concept emphasized in this chapter is the distinction between climate and weather. So, climate refers to a long-term atmospheric patterns, while weather describes short-term condition. This clarification helped correct common misconceptions, especially the belief that isolated weather events can disprove climate change. Understanding this difference allows for a more accurate interpretation of climate data and public discussion. The discussion on the Industrial Revolution revealed how human activities significantly altered Earth's climate system. The extensive use of fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial processes led to a rapid increase in atmospheric carbon dioxide. Unlike natural climate cycles that occur over thousands of years, this human-induced change has happened in just a few centuries, intensifying global warming. This chapter presented strong scientific evidence for climate change through ice core data, carbon dioxide measurements, and historical temperature records. These findings show a direct relationship between rising greenhouse gas concentrations and increasing global temperatures. These evidences confirms that current climate change trends are unmatched in both speed and scale. Climate change has profound effect on plants and animals, particularly in their growth cycles, migration patterns, and survival. Warmer temperatures extend growing seasons but also increase water stress and pest populations. Additionally, mismatches between flowering plants and pollinators threaten ecosystem stability and biodiversity. Next is the retreat of glaciers, melting polar ice, and rising sea levels are visible consequences of climate change discussed in this chapter. These changes not only alter natural landscapes but also reduce freshwater supplies and increase the risk of flooding in coastal areas. Even small increases in global temperature can result in serious and lasting environmental damage. Overall, this lesson emphasized that climate change is both a scientific and ethical issue. Since human actions play a major role in accelerating climate change, humans also have responsibility to help mitigate its effects. As a student, this reflection encourages me to become more environmentally aware and to support sustainable practices that contribute to protecting the planet for future generations.